Good morning, dear students. I over here have come to give you a short idea that how you can think or you can deliver a speech or a debate or you can even write an essay. So for that I'll give you a small hint that how you people can think, because in exams it's a quite burden. I know it's very difficult. It becomes difficult actually to understand that how we can start an essay and all. So for that you just have to see the topic and you should go to this. You should move to the key points, examples, quick status and to the call to the action. Now you people might be thinking that what actually these all things are. Now this key points in the sense, for example, whatever topic, if suppose it's the topic is about a female education, is it important? Yes, female education is important. Now if this is a topic, you should know that what has been before it has been done to them for the education, or you can give even many examples at how the other females before they have done great things. Now this now over here for the quick status and all, you can even give an idea that what things can happen or what can be done for them, and at the last you can write about your conclusion, about your thoughts, that what kind of action you people can give. Okay, now this was a short idea about how you people can think about any topic. Now actually today my topic is to teach you all is the importance of reducing plastic bags. Okay, now this is one of the most challenging topic that for us in a practical life, that even now and though we all use plastic bags. Without that our life is incomplete. Even we go to buy a small vegetable and all, fruits, everything and all, we need a plastic bags, packaging and all of kurkures, of chocolates and all, everything is done in plastic bag. But do you people know what are the causes or how much harm does it provides to the environment? Now look, what is that? Now first, the importance of reducing plastic bags. For that, first you can start writing with your introduction. Now introduction, how you people can give an introduction is like plastic bags. What is that? It's not only our personal problem, it's a global. Plastic are the global issue affecting our environment and the future. From oceans to the food supplies, and the impact of plastic waste is undeniable. Okay, you people can understand this, that from oceans to food supplies, the impact of plastic waste is undeniable. Why it is? Because as living organisms are even in seas, on earth, on land, everywhere, and it hampers it, and और हम उसको मना नहीं कर सकते हैं. Okay, now why actually reducing plastic bags is essential, as it inspires the individuals and the communities to make it we can reduce plastic bags. Why? To make it eco-friendly choices that protects the plant. If you reduce using of plastic bags, you can make it eco-friendly choices that protect the plants. Now, when we come, what are the problems that creates by the plastic waste? As plastic is everywhere, before also I have told you all that packaging products and in our daily necessities. Now, unlike materials like plastic does not break down easily. Like बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो ज़मीन में अपने आप डिकम्पोज हो जाती है, पर plastics are such where everything plastics are such that cannot very quickly get decomposed. Okay, unlikely like other materials, plastic does not break down easily. It takes actually 100 years or more than that to decompose, and during decomposition it releases harmful chemicals into the environment. Okay, now when we come, we can put 2 points like this, that pollution in oceans and land, and the another is for human health risk. You can give just 2 points at least 2 points. You can give many points, but I will just go with 2 points. That pollution is in oceans and land and human health risk. Now, when we come to the pollution in oceans and lands, that we can see that each million tons of plastics are end up in oceans, seas, rivers, okay, which is harming the marine life. Now, many animals makes mistakes. Now, you can see cows and all, they go to the garbage areas and they start eating. But by sometimes what happened, by mistakes, they eat up the plastic for food, leading health issues, or even they can die. Now, when we come to the human health risk, we are daily consuming everything, whether it is food order that is from Zomato or Swiggy or whatever it is, the packaging is done in your plastic boxes and all. Now you can see that how risky it is. Now that microplastics or tiny plastics have entered in our food chain, and studies have found that microplastics in drinking water and seafood is also being seen. And of course, yes, the microplastics have even entered into our blood stream, that is actually very, very harmful for our life, and it is also life threatening to that. So to avoid such use of plastic bags, what we can do is that we can give some solutions to stop this use of plastic bags. That reducing plastic waste may seems challenging. Of course, yes, it becomes a very much challenge, because we always forget bags and all, to carry bags for bringing vegetables, or going to the market, or going any necessary things, whatever we want, we forget to take. And of course, here then we ask for the plastic bags to the shopkeepers and all. Now, the simple solutions to reduce the plastic waste is that reducing plastic waste might seem challenging, but small changes, it's always been said that small changes can make a big difference. And here are some effective ways that individual can help. Now, use reusable products, like switching to reusable bags, bottles, containers reduces the demand for single use plastics. Then avoid plastic packaging. Now look for the products into the minimal or the biodegradable packaging, and support brands with eco-friendly in nature. Now this kind of things you people can take initiatives. Then participate in a clean up efforts, that community. You can group up a community, you can go to a society, you can clean up the things very much. Now go to the community, clean up events, then helps that reduce to waste in local environments, and even raise awareness about the pollution. These all things can help to reduce the importance of reducing. This all can help you in reducing the plastic bags. Now conclusion, what actually you can write at the last is a conclusion. Okay. Now what conclusion you can give is that the plastic bags, the waste create crisis, falls for immediate action. If you are not taking immediate action to it, what will happen? By making simple, sustainable choices. Okay. Now each of us can reduce our plastic footprint and products to clean, healthier planet, because we are only having one planet where we are living. Okay. Of course, yes, there are many other that has been discovered, but at present I am saying talking about over here. So to protect our environment, we have to help the environment to not get sick. Okay, and to that we have to take actions. Now small changes that add up, and together we can make a lasting impact on our world. So you can see that how easy it is to understand and to write, because until and unless you people won't have an idea that what you are going actually to start with, it's very difficult to write it, okay, in a very short time period. So you might have understand that how you can go with it. So at the last, I would like to say you people that how you can start with this topic, that first focus on why plastic bags are harmful. Okay. Second, mention how plastic bags end up in aqueous and what is the quick status, and call to the action, that is your conclusion, or what steps you are going to follow by yourself, by community, or making a group. Thank you very much.